Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Surya Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar, General Knowledge teacher. Today we will discuss General Knowledge Class 7 Part 8. So let's start this video. Mixed bag second. Mixed bag second. Question number first. Name the Indian who won the Nobel Prize for Peace in 2014. Question is that name the Indian who won the Nobel Prize for Peace in 2014. Answer is Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi, Indian person who won the Nobel Prize for Peace in 2014. Question number 2. Which London theatre opened in 1871 was named after Queen Victoria's husband? Question is that which London theatre opened in 1871 was the name after Queen Victoria's husband? Answer is Royal Albert Hall. Royal Albert Hall. Question number 3. Which gas is also called Mars gas? Which gas is also called Mars gas? Answer is methane. Methane is called the Mars gas. Question number 4. In Mahabharata, only 3 Kaurava warriors survived the great war after Duryodhana's death. Who were they? Question is that in Mahabharata, only 3 Kaurava warriors survived the great war after Duryodhana's death. Who are they? Answer is Kripa, Ashwatthama and Kritvarma. Means only 3 Kaurava survived after great war Mahabharata, and after the Duryodhana death, Kripa, Ashwatthama and Kritvarma. Question number 5. In which year of did Microsoft release Windows? Answer is 2007. Question number 6. Numismatics is the study of stamp. True or false? False. This statement is false. Numismatics is not related to the stamps. Question number 7. Which country celebrate tea ceremony? Answer is Japan. Japan country celebrate tea ceremony. Question number 8. What is the full form of DNA? Full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. D for deoxyribo, N for nucleic, or A for acid. Question number 9. What is the common name of sodium carbonate? The common name of sodium carbonate is washing soda. The common name of sodium nitrate is washing soda. Question number 10. The location of page on the World Wide Web is called. Option is A URL, B www, C tag. Correct option is A URL. The location of page on the World Wide Web is called URL. Question number 11. What is the color of the bin for biodegradable waste? What is the color of the bin for biodegradable waste? The answer is green color. Question number 12. Name the renowned phonetics vocalist who was awarded the Bharat Ratna. Question is that name the renowned phonetics vocalist who was awarded the Bharat Ratna. Answer is M.S. Subbulakshmi. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Question number 13. Who is known as the Light of Asia? Question is that who is known as the Light of Asia? Answer is Buddha. Answer is Buddha. Question number 14. Which type of waves are radio waves? Which type of waves are radio waves? Answer is electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are known as radio waves. Ever wonder why second? Question first. Why does the peacock raise their feathers? Why does peacock raise their feathers? Answer: the long tail. The long tail. Here a mistake of train right here, but in a book write train, but here tail, which is not actually a tail but is held up by the feathers of true tail, with it about half of the total length of the male bird. Means the long tail, not actually tail but it also a feather of true tail beneath about the half of the total length. And only the male have tail, the female behinds are smaller. Male have tail and the female behind have smaller and dark in color and have smaller crest. The male uses his feather plumage to impress female and attract them towards him during breeding season. Means the male peacock, the male uses this beautiful plumage to impress female and attract him towards during the breeding season. And when come rainy season, you also see peacock raise their feather. Question number 2. Given water is clear, why does snow appear white? Question is that given that water is clear, why does snow appear white? Answer is, it is because the complex crystal structure. Every snowflake is hexagonal in structure with complicated facets that reflect and scatter the light in all directions, so the color mixed to form white light, hence snow appear white. It means it because a complex crystal structure. However, snow have hexagonal structure and hexagonal structure that reflect and scatter the light in all directions, so that color mix to reform a white light, hence snow appear with white color. Means snow structure are hexagonal structure and reflect and scatter the color, so that snow appear in white color. Question number 3. Frogs vanish in winter. Frogs are cold-blooded animals. They cannot tolerate the cold of the winter. They hide themselves in safe place and undergo deep sleep or hibernation. The normal activities are suspended, breathing, heart rate, etc. are very low, and the frog survives on the food stored as fat in summer month. It is called the winter sleep or hibernation. Normal activity are resumed when winter cases. Means frog are cold-blooded animal. They cannot tolerate. They cannot survive cold in winter season. So they hide themselves in a safe place and other undergo deep sleep. The normal activity are suspended like a breathing, heart rate, etc. are very slow, and frogs survive on the food store form of fat in summer month. When you are take breath and heartbeat slow, then energy also utilization minimize. Some frogs dive into a pond, bury themselves in mud and stay there all winter. Pond do not freeze solid. Frog's eyes are poisoned to the top of its head, so it very easy to water surface and be alert for predator. Means this is the reason frog vanish in winter. Means frog hide in winter season because they are cold-blooded animal and then cannot tolerate the cold in winter season. So they hide themselves in a safe places, and they are maintain the normal activity like breathing and heart rate is slow. And in a summer month, frogs survive on the food store in the summer month, and they can hide themselves to protect predator and winter also. Here the careers. After 12th, yeah, even 10th class, one can think various career options based on child interest and inclinations and liking. The courses to be taken depend upon the choice of your career. If you want to be a doctor, you should option for science and biology with biology, in an engineer for physics, chemistry and mathematics, etc. A large number of courses are available in this day. Here given doctors, teachers and engineers. You can select according to your choice. Not anyone force you. You can select your liking, what you want. Thank you. Hopefully you understand. So all content of this video, each and every students write on your copy and learn them. Thank you.